Hello and welcome to our feature overview of VoiceLink. Let's get into it and I show you some of the most powerful features. VoiceLink is built around a simple premise to keep your story in motion. It's a complete voice-over automation pipeline that handles your entire narrative content production, all the way from script to game. Okay, let's pick one of our projects. You have a clean dashboard for every single project. Here you can run the pipeline in just a few clicks with pipeline tasks. Or overview a network and KPIs. And here you can see all the running jobs and live log. And to get more metrics and insights, you can switch over to the statistics view. Here you can find the production status, so valuable insight into your production, localization coverage, in our case it's currently only in English, character statistics, audio health, and recent activities to get instant insights into exactly what's been happening lately on your project. And to make the collaboration even easier, every action is fully traceable and logged to a specific user. Within the roles and permission overview, you can see exactly what each user can see and edit. You can also assign color tags and limit the access to keep your collaboration flowing as smoothly as possible and tailor VoiceLink to everyone's needs and responsibilities. Okay, let's take a closer look at some of our highlight features. Here's the voice lines view. Honestly, your best friend when you're dealing with thousands of voice lines. You can filter lines instantly, generate TTS voice lines for fast iterations. You can click the little eye icon to preview the audio specs, playback the waveforms, and get direct access to tags, time constraints, and batch processing features like normalization or regeneration. And since we are talking about TTS, let's change the text of this line. As you can see, the file is now flagged as out of sync. Time to act. We regenerate the file, and boom, there's the updated version, ready for testing straight in your game. With the text-to-speech generation, you now have the power to give different characters completely different voices, change languages with powerful automated localization workflows, and as a little cherry on top, you can even clone your own voices and play around with different pronunciations. In addition to that, VoiceLink has also a DSP section for quick testing, cool narrative effects, and even more design freedom.
They're arguing about an axe. It's not a siege.
They're arguing about an axe. It's not a siege.
Awfully quiet, nothing to talk about at all.
And now you might be asking, is this awesome pipeline available for me? Yes, of course. VoiceLink is entirely engine and middleware agnostic. It's hosted entirely on-premise, your network, your data, and absolutely secure. You can even hook in your own services, like facial animation generation. And with direct contact to our developers, you truly have the power in your hands. Want to see it in action? Book a demo today to get access to our sandbox, play around, and test it yourself. Let's have a chat soon. Can't wait to hear from you.